let's begin. Straddle your legs in a nice strong position. We're gonna lunge side to side. That's it. Really lengthen those legs. Side. That's it. Arms out. Now really feel the length through the thighs. Beautiful. Shift your weight side to side, feeling in your inner thighs, your outer thighs. We're gonna target the entire legs. That's it. To firm, to shape, and sculpt. 2 more. Really stretch it out right here. Back is strong and straight. Last one, and hold. Feel the stretch. Toe comes up. Lengthen through the inner thighs. That's it. Hold the stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Shift to the other leg. Toe comes up so you really feel the stretch in the inside of your legs. So important. That's it. Hold that stretch. Beautiful. Let's turn side. Hold it right here. Lengthen through the back and lengthen through the hip flexors right here. This is a great shape for your thighs, toning and shaping. That's it. Firming up those legs. We've got 2 more. Last one. Hold it right there. Beautiful. Lean your hips back and stretch your hamstrings. Hold that stretch. That's it. Beautiful. Lengthen your back. Hold. Okay, to the other side. And lunge it down. Hold it. Little lunges. That's it. Notice my front knee stays in that 90-degree angle to protect your knee joint and work your thighs, your legs. Good. Up and down. Really feel it. We got 2 more. Hold your body upright. Good form is so important. Good technique. Hold it right there. That's it. Hips tuck under. You got it. Beautiful. Okay, shift your weight back and stretch out through the hamstrings. That's it. Hold that stretch. Lengthen through your back. Hi, boo-boo. Hi. And stretch out your legs. Beautiful. Standing up nice and tall. I want you to lift your chest high, working on those legs now. Bend your knees. That's it. Think good posture. That's the key to a nice flat belly. Work those legs. Zip up those abs. That's it. Beautiful. Now we're going to add a little kick to the side. Leg kicks. Lengthen those legs. Lean legs. That's it. Reach your toes out. Really feel the quadriceps toning and shaping. That's it. Always think about lifting the chest high. Beautiful. You got it. Shaping and firming those legs. 2 more. Last one. Great. Now I want you to hold the body right here. Lift the leg behind. Now we're target toning the back of your thighs. Firming and toning. Very important for the lift back here. Shaping those legs. Really squeeze as you lift up. That's it. Zip up those abs so you don't arch your low back. We got 2 more. Lift those legs. Last one. Good. Now hold it there. Beautiful. Hold like an arabesque. Okay, let's go to the other side. Down and lift. You got it. Squeeze. Lift those legs. Beautiful. Lean legs. Ballerina legs. Dancers have the most beautiful legs. We got 2 more. Last one. Now hold it like an arabesque. Hold it. Squeeze the buttocks. Lengthen the thighs. Lengthen your legs. Beautiful. And walk yourself all the way down. One hand, the next. Walk all the way down. You're gonna hold a plank with one leg. Lift it and squeeze the bottom. Tighten up that tushy. Lengthen your legs. Hold the plank and switch. Hold it, hold it, hold it. That's it. Great. And lengthen your arms all the way up. Now it's time to do outer thigh toners and slingers. That's it. No more saddlebags. Lift and lower the top leg. Lift it. That's it. This is a great way to slim down those saddlebags right on the outside of your thighs. That's a nice way to slim and tone. Good. Just do the best you can. Keep moving. We got 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. Hold it up there. Great. Let's go to the other side. Reach the other leg. Lengthen it out. Lift and lower the leg. Just do what you can. Make sure you're lengthening through the thighs. Your toe is pointed. It's really reaching. That's the way to lengthen your legs. Good. Got a couple more. You can do it. 2 more. 1 more. Hold it up there. Hold it up there. Beautiful. Okay, come on down. Slowly roll all the way down on your back. Relax your neck. Lift your hips all the way up. Hold that stretch. Now we're doing a nice slight back of your thigh firmer. You're going to come down and squeeze. Down and squeeze. You got it. This is target toning the back of your thighs, giving beautiful shape between your buttocks and your thighs. That's it. We got 2 more. Last one. Now can you hold it up and reach one leg up, hold it up, and lift and lower. Little baby reaches up. You got it. Great for your lean legs. Last one, and switch legs. Reach it all the way up, that's it. Lengthen and lift. That's great. I love this exercise. It target tones the front of your thighs and on the back of your thighs of the back knee. We got 2 more. Last one. Okay. Let me see that beautiful smiling face and bicycle it out. Just a nice, beautiful bicycle. It's great for leg circulation. Excellent for those beautiful legs. Just push it out, bicycle it out. That's it. Beautiful. We got 2 more. Last one. And bring your legs up. Now little baby scissors. Scissors, that's it. Great, lengthen those legs. Are your legs nice and strong? Beautiful. Can you bring your legs a little lower? That's it. Good. And bring it back up. Scissors, scissors. Great for your inner and outer thighs. Beautiful. And take it down. That's it. And take it back up. All the way up. Little scissors. Excellent. Okay, and slowly bring your knees to your chest. Then lift your legs all the way up. Legs all the way open. Flex your feet. Hold that inner thigh stretch. That's it. Bring your legs together and stretch it out. Lengthen the legs. Lean legs. Here we go. Stretch and tone all at the same time. Breathe. Exhale. That's it. Got 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. Slowly all the way up and just stretch it out now. Stretch out those legs. You did it. 8 minutes to lean legs. And to the other leg. Stretch. Excellent stretch for your legs. You reach a little lower. You got it. Great. And take a nice deep cleansing breath together. Inhale all the way up, inhale. And exhale, fold forward. Feel the back of your thighs stretching. Can you feel that stretch? One of my favorites. And walk to the other side. Feel the back of your thighs. And to the other side. Feel it all back here. Good stretch. And take a deep breath together. Bring in. Exhale out. Just exhale out any stress. And there you did your 8-minute lean legs workout.